From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Professional Agile Leadership (PAL-I) exam and share practice exam to test online. The PAL-I certification is a valuable credential that validates your expertise in Agile leadership principles, enabling you to lead your organization towards greater agility and success. PAL-I certification details. Exam content outline. How to prepare for the PAL-I exam. One. Which statement best describes a product owner's responsibilities? Choose the best answer. A. Keeping stakeholders informed and happy. B. Helping the Scrum team to improve their ability to deliver. C. Directing the developers. D. Managing the project and ensuring that the work meets the commitments to the stakeholders. E. Maximizing the value of the work the Scrum team delivers. 2. Which statement best describes a responsibility of the Scrum Master? Choose the best answer. A. Helping the Scrum team to improve their ability to deliver. B. Managing the project and ensuring that the work meets the commitments to the stakeholders. C. Optimizing the value of the work the Scrum team performs. D. Keeping stakeholders informed and happy. E. Directing the developers. 3. Of the following choices, what is the most effective way a Scrum Master can keep a Scrum team working at its highest level of productivity? Choose the best answer. A. Prevent changes to the backlogs once the sprint begins. B. Keep high-value features high in the product backlog. C. Facilitate Scrum team decisions and remove impediments. D. Ensure the meetings start and end at the proper time. 4. Your organization wants to improve its time to market. Which of the following improvements would help best? Choose the best answer. A. Creating a centralized team to handle all product releases. B. Reducing the size of each release to deliver fewer features. C. Splitting the product into components that are developed in parallel. D. Establishing a common release schedule for all products. 5. What measure does not provide relevant or useful information about a team's ability to deliver value to the user, customer in the future? Choose the best answer. A. Story points delivered trends. B. User, customer satisfaction trends. C. Technical debt trends. D. Consistent achievement of sprint goals. 6. Which of the following will not help a team increase its frequency of delivery? Choose the best answer. A. Reducing cross-team dependencies. B. Automating delivery processes. C. Synchronizing release schedules across teams. D. Product backlog refinement. 7. Which Scrum event most helps a Scrum team to continuously improve? Choose the best answer. A. Sprint planning. B. The daily Scrum. C. The sprint retrospective. D. Refinement. E. The sprint review. 8. An organization has many agile teams working on different products. How can managers understand the status of each team? Choose the best answer. A. Ask the teams to show progress toward the product goal at least every calendar month. B. Standardize story point estimation across teams so that team velocity can be compared. C. Instruct each team to fill out a common status reporting dashboard to provide information that can be shared with stakeholders. D. Have the team create a detailed forecast for their work, then track plan versus actuals. 9. Agile teams must balance many different objectives. Which one of the following is most important? Choose the best answer. A. Delivering all must-have requirements. B. Controlling cost. C. Improving efficiency. D. Meeting schedule commitments. E. Improving customer satisfaction. 10. Value stream mapping is a useful technique to choose the best answer. A. Understand customer requirements. B. Understand how to break down work and assign it to teams. C. Identify sources of waste and activities that do not add value in a process. D. Enable a portfolio view of your epics. E. Understand how to break down epics into smaller user stories. E. Run the daily scrum. Subscribe and like past question.